So again, we see price heading back down, always back down to 19, even past take profit 14 right now, 1965, and it's heading back down even to take profit 13, 1945. After price shoots all the way up to 2022, this is an all-time high now that we've seen gold head all the way up to 2002.76. And now, price, will shoot all the way back down, past all these take profit levels and will shoot all the way back down, almost went all the way up to take profit 18, 2005, and we'll see price head all the way back down and take profit 13, 1945 after a move like that, after gold gets up here, it'll retest, it'll get all the way up here at least one more time, and then it'll just shoot all the way back down to 1945, take profit 13. We can see sellers pushing price all the way back down to 1945. It might even go all the way down to take profit 12, 1930 before heading back up, at least back up to take profit 14, take profit 13 by the end of the day. We still got until 5 o'clock, and this move is still, New York and London sessions don't start until 9:30 a.m. So a lot can happen during that time, gang. As we go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's look on the 1 hour real fast as well. Let's see this on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. And you can see on the 1 hour, again, like it made an M formation, make a double top formation. It'll go up, head back down, go right to take profit 15, basically right to zero right here, then head back up, creating a second top, creating this M formation, from take profit 14 all the way up to take profit 17, boom, and then head back down, right back down to 27 extension, creating this M formation. You'll see this at the top. Price won't just go down and make a lower low, go back up, create another high, creating a double top pattern before making a lower low back down to 27 extension. And you'll see that at the top of a uptrend, and you'll see this at the bottom. Price, makes a double bottom pattern. It'll go down. This is on the 1 hour. Go back up, go back down again, creating another higher low. And before making a higher high back up to 27 extension, take profit 14, 27 extension, take profit 14, 1965. It was March 4th when they made the double bottom pattern, and then March, now this is March 7th, price makes a double top pattern and making an M formation gain. So, we have to put it all together. We see this long black Marubozo candlestick letting us know that sellers are in complete control. But focus on being consistent, game. Focus on being consistent and profitable, and you have to commit hours and hours and hours into trading like every day. You have to keep trading every day, and eventually, you will start making money in this market, but you have to stay focused. I know trading can seem boring. That's why I'm trying to give you as much information as I can, but you have to put the time in. You have to be willing to put the time in. You're not going to get nothing or nowhere with trading if you don't put the time in. Like anything else, you have to put the time in and effort in, and it can really pay off. It can really, really pay off, gang. But you have to be willing to work hard, just like anything else. You have to be willing to work hard and put the time in and put the effort in. It's not hard. Trading's not hard, but you have to put the time in. You have to put the effort in. I'm just giving you as much strategies as I can gain. You can take these strategies, come up with your own strategies. If you like my strategies, cool. I'm here to motivate you and help you make millions in this market for free. Like that's what I do, game. But you can do whatever you want, game, but you have to put the time in, You have to have a strategy, our strategy, this is our strategy. It works. When price gets all the way up to here, it will make a double top pattern. It will go up, head back down, go up again, making this information double top pattern. And before going back down, it goes all the way back up to 0.786 Fibonacci. We see this bearish engulfing pattern. Black candlestick, it go for this yellow candlestick. It breaks this trend line. Boom. Once price breaks this trend line, it will head back down. So you have to have a strategy, gang. And you can make money in this market. Draw your take profit levels on here. Like, let's go to the 4 hour. Let's go to the daily, Like, see on the 4 hour as well. Gang. Like, price makes the information. You know, it heads up, heads back down, heads up again. See this bearish engulfing pattern on the 4 hour. Candlestick pushing all the way back down to 27 extension. And price could even go back down lower than that, but it goes to 27 extension, and we can see buyers pushing price back up now. But gang, we have to put it together. have to put it together. See a bearish engulfing pattern right here as well. You know, made the double bottom pattern on the 4-hour. You know, it made an information also on the 4-hour. This is my other chart. You go to the day, look at the daily real fast and see what price is doing on the daily. Gets all the way up here, wicks all the way up to 2002. This is the all-time high price it went up to now. And then what? Price heads all the way back down. After price gets all the way up here, it will shoot all the way back down from take profit 17 all the way back down to take profit 16, 1985, take profit 15, 1975, and eventually all the way to take profit 14, 1965. You know, it goes a little bit lower than that, 1960. And you could have made a couple hundred, a couple thousand for the day. But it's going to come with you being consistent, gang. You have to be consistent in this market, you know? And you can make money in this market, you know? Price will do the same thing over and over again. Got all the way up to here. This was February 24th. Price got all the way up to 1980. And then what? Shot all the way back down, you know? All the way back down to take profit 10, you know? So, gang, we have to put it together, put it all together. You know, you can make money in this market. I just wanted to show you, you know, on the daily as well. Go back to this one. I just want to show you on the daily as well. Price did get all the way up here. Like just putting it all together, gang. You know, and this is how we make money in this market. You know, this is how we make money in this market, gang. So, right, this is March 7th, 2022. Price got all the way up to 2002. You know, and before heading back down, and now price is at 1968 right now. You know, basically take profit 14 area, 1968, 1915. This is all take profit 14 area. This is all take profit 15, take profit 16, take profit 17 area. This is take profit 18. Starts at 205, and we can see price going even higher if it wants to get back up there. But it got all the way up to 2002, you know, and now we can see price finally heading back down, you know. But we have to put it together, game. Fibonacci, fundamental news, trend lines, you know, candlestick patterns, you know, go back to the 15, like go back to the 15 and go back out real fast, you know. Price made what? A double M, it made an M pattern, goes up, heads back down, goes up again, creating this M formation. Now price is heading back down, you know. So again, you know, price will have to have a strategy, you know, breaks this trend line, boom, shows us an even start pattern, could have entered at 2000 and rolled this all the way back down to take profit 14, 1965. So I'm just doing all this, game, so you can be confident when you get into this market, okay, gang? So be super patient. You know, you have to be super, super patient, as this move did not happen until 6 o'clock, you know, 7 o'clock in the morning. So you have to be super, super patient, gang. And you could have took all profit from 2020, from 2002 all the way down to take profit 14. If we drew our a short position from here all the way down to take profit 14, we had a short position all the way down here. You know, this is, if we had a short position all the way down to take profit 14, this is a what? This is a 2 to 6, 2 to 6, 3 to 1 risk reward ratio. This is what we want, gang. This is what we want. And then what could we have did at this point? You know, we could have put our stop loss into profit. You know, boom, put your stop loss into profit, boom, and you could took all profit, right? Like you could took all profit. Let me just go up right here. Boom, took all profit, you know, and this is all profit now, gang. All this is profit. Probably would have stopped you out here, hit our stop loss, boom, and would have took this trade, you know. So I'm just giving you all these strategies, gang, to help you gain this market. You know, psychology is extremely, extremely important. Forex is about your psychology. So we have to go over this, you know, to help you get in this market and make millions in this market, gang. So I hope these videos help. No, Fibonacci, like I said, it will retrace at 0.786 before going up a little bit further. Wait for price to go up a little bit further so you won't get stopped out. It goes all the way to 2022, breaks this trend line, boom, and then you could have got in and sold this all the way back down to take profit 14.27 extension. You know, same thing here. Price will go to zero, it'll go back up to 0.618, and then head back down to 0.786, 786 Fibonacci. Wait for price to head back down to 786 Fibonacci, and then you could have rolled this all the way back up. Same thing here. Wait for price to go all the way up to 786 Fibonacci, goes up a little bit further. Wait for price to go up a little bit further, and then at 202, 2002, and you could have rolled this all the way back down to 1965, take profit 14. All right, gang. So I hope these videos help. I'll keep you updated. All right, gang.